Hi everyone, Julie Lewis here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I'm here to present to you the most beautiful home in Greenbank at 19826 Highway 12. Let's go take a tour. And I know so many buyers are gonna absolutely love this feature of an oversized double car garage with super tall ceilings. This front porch, it's so special, it is so charming, you're gonna love it. This main floor is amazing. Upon entry, you're greeted with a beautiful large kitchen that flows through to your formal dining room. And where I am right now is this amazing living room that overlooks your backyard and all of that gorgeous nature. So you have an awesome mudroom in this beautiful home with access to your oversized double car garage, your main floor laundry, a closet, access to your powder bathroom, and another door to go outside to your beautiful backyard. This home is absolutely beautiful, and we're upstairs now with this beautiful media room slash reading nook, whatever you'd like to make it, and this gorgeous window. Now I'm going to show you the 3 very large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This amazing home even has a finished basement. Check out these huge windows, and you have so much room for storage. This home has everything you need for you and your family. So one of the best parts about this home is this backyard. You are completely surrounded by nature. You have this beautiful willow tree. It is stunning. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me of this beautiful home in Greenbank at 19826 Highway 12. This home has everything you need for you and your family. You're surrounded by nature. It has that old world feel while still being only 16 years old. So if you liked what you saw, give an offer by calling the number above, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest homes for sale.